Life purpose is the reason you feel you are here on this earth. It is the meaning behind your actions, the goal that gives your life direction. Everyone has a life purpose, but it is different for each person. Some people find it in their work, others in their relationships, and some in learning or helping others. Finding your life purpose means understanding what truly matters to you. It helps you decide what kind of life you want to live. Without a purpose, life can feel empty or confusing. With a clear purpose, you have motivation to keep going even when things get hard. Why does life purpose matter? First, it gives you focus. When you know your purpose, you can make choices that fit with your goals. This stops you from wasting time on things that do not help you grow or feel happy. Second, life purpose brings fulfillment. Doing things that align with your purpose creates a deep sense of satisfaction. It makes you feel like your life has meaning, not just busy or random days. Third, purpose helps with challenges. Life is not always easy. When problems come, having a purpose gives you strength. It reminds you why you started and encourages you to keep trying. Many people ask, how do I find my life purpose? The answer is to look inside yourself. Think about what you love doing, what skills you have, and what makes you feel alive. Sometimes your purpose can come from your passions, your talents, or the impact you want to make in the world. Also, your life purpose can change over time. It is okay if you do not know it right away. Keep exploring and learning about yourself. Your purpose can grow and become clearer with experience. To start finding your purpose, ask yourself some questions. What activities make me lose track of time? What kind of problems do I want to solve? What values are most important to me? Writing down your answers can help you see patterns. In summary, life purpose is your personal reason for living. It matters because it gives you focus, fulfillment, and strength to face challenges. Finding your life purpose is a journey, not a destination. Take time to explore what matters to you and let your purpose guide your life.